Dr. Muhammad from Pakistan. I am a plastic and hair restoration surgeon. I being a diplomat of American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery and a member of various committees of ISHRS. I request all of the physicians to join in the basic course of ISHRS 2020 in the first ever virtual conference to gain knowledge and share your experiences. This course and conference is going to give you a knowledge and surgical techniques of the best of the hair restoration surgeons of the world. Thank you very much.